Good morning. Welcome back. This is another live stream. My name is Franco. This is Trading Futures Live, and a very important day today. We do have FOMC in the afternoon. So there's a special behavior that I need to have every time this day comes because previous the reports in the news conference, the market can behave very, I would say, I don't want to say erratic, but in a very particular manner, right? So, let's jump right into the dollar because the dollar is, so this is the dollar on the 30-minute, okay? If you go to the daily, it looks like the momentum is to the downside. At least today, right? We were going up earlier today, and now we're creating some bearish momentum. Okay. I do have the pivot from yesterday at 8:30, and it hasn't been broken. So probably before 2 in the afternoon, I want to play this demand, right? I don't think this demand will hold with the volatility in the afternoon, so I wouldn't rely on this in the afternoon, just because I don't have like a real leg out. Like for instance, here after this, yeah, we came here. So next time we come here, this can work to the upside in a better way, right? Here, I don't have the information to say, all right, this thing is gonna is really a demand. It's just a retest, okay? So if we go to the 30-minute, this is the gap from last Sunday, not this one, but the previous one. And we created this range during the week. We broken to the upside and retested. Now this is the second retest. Is this higher probability than this one? No, this is lower probability, but it's still we could still have some orders here or traders coming in here, especially with having a FOMC in the afternoon. We might range until we have the big volatility. Okay. All right. So the market is about to open. My context today is to the long side, risk on mode. The dollar is dropping, the rates are dropping, VIX is down, market is gapping up. So I want to pay attention to where I could get in this thing long. Okay, I don't have major supplies, so it might have some room to the upside. All right, so let's put the this trading screen here. We are off. We're selling off a little bit. So the news for today, we did have CPI from Great Britain. It came lower than expected, so that's good news for that. And in the afternoon, we do have Fed fund rates. Percentage wise, Powell is not gonna raise rates today. Like the probability is that he won't touch the funds rate today. It's like 99 against 1. So we are selling off a little bit at the open. So we do have this gap close right here. That's the gap close, the red line. And we do have these pivots here and here. Put this better. Yeah, we do have these two pivots here. So the dollar is holding up there. Oh, why this is not showing there, bro? Oh my goodness.
What?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is there. So this is the overnight low, and this is the overnight high. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cool. Yeah, the dollar continues to the downside. A lot of buying pressure right there. Delta is 1400 on the 1 minute. All right, it's time for us. What time is it? Is 9:33. I don't know if you guys mind this watch here. I think it's useful. Yeah, 9:33. 3 minutes into the market open. Let's review the internals. Advanced decline very bullish, plus 1500 and still going up. And let's go check on the fangs, because the fangs are, they gapped up. They closed the gap already. Yes.
There's big things pushing up.
What?
The dollar is dropping a lot, and this is not.
This is not pushing. Yes. There you go. So I think this is a good level right here, 99. So I'm gonna take 99. Um, Here I want to take 99. 99 is not a bad level to take a long. I do have an order there. Buyers are being a little bit more aggressive than sellers. As a matter of fact, we haven't had any like delta negative on the 1 minute. The entire delta for the day is positive. We gapped up above the COT from a few days ago, right? All these COT, like for instance, this one, right? We gapped up above this. You see that? And now it is holding up pretty nicely. So yeah. Um, let's see if we can have some sellers stepping in here so I can get my order filled. Tick chart very positive. Still advanced decline, even though this thing hasn't broken any highs. The advanced decline is breaking highs. Feel free to comment in the chat if you have any question, if you have any trade idea. Feel free to like the video as well if you find value. Morning, welcome. Yeah, I put the order here when we were in this candle right here. Actually, when it was here. Like I felt like, all right, so a bunch of stops are here in this area. You're not watching that screen, so my order is right here. Why this thing is not showing up there? Oh, damn, because it's this one. Chart trader, yeah. There you go. So I'm selling pressure. Check out if we have exhaustion. Because if we have exhaustion against us, probably is not good. Yeah, tick chart is freaking 700 positive. Some sells, some selling there. I don't want to be overly aggressive today. Until FOMC comes out and we have a clear direction. But yeah, risk on is the context is saying like long is a better has a better probability. So the first retracement after the open was 6 points. If it retraces to this level, it'll be 6 points. Let's call my stop is 8 points. So I might want to move this thing down to this level. Yeah. Where is the overnight low? It's 84. Ooh, yeah, it's far. What do you have, Ali?
Nothing. FOMC on my head. Like you said, I'm not trying to be over aggressive.
Not before FOMC, like it's not the right time to be very aggressive. I might not even take in trades today.
You know,
Yeah. Not trading is trading. No trading is trading. New 15 minutes. New 15. Volume is a bit lower than yesterday, like 15% less. Hmm. Now I'll tell you, I need to confess this. For me to get long in this run up, it's gonna be hard. Just I don't feel comfortable is getting long in here. Unless we have like 10 a.m. Unless we wait until like 10 a.m. and we'll execute after 10 a.m. Usually we do have some volatility at 10. 4 hour candle closes and 30-minute, 1 hour. All right, so the dollar continues to go down. Now it's getting to the lower extreme of the demand. And this is the 30-minute. I want to go see the 5 minutes. What the fangs are doing, stopping up. There's some supply on the fangs. I'll show you. This is an index that I created where Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, Google, Amazon, and Tesla are involved. So this index comes out of those stocks, and it has some resistance here. It's been respecting for a long time, and is bouncing off of that. We haven't broken that. So this accounts for 35% of the index of the S&P 500. Beto, how's it going? So that's why I monitor it. Is very important. So whatever these stocks are doing, the index will follow. Do we have any divergence or exhaustion? Nothing, right? Hmm?
We have new highs, new highs. Hit a new low, then maybe.
My order is still at 98 and nothing has changed other than fangs retracing to the downside, but the dollar is still the same area. So I'll be taking this trade as far as the dollar and the fangs concerned. Advanced decline is not doing anything against us, still going up. Tick chart is very bullish. And the market is overall gapping down 0.3%. Now, one thing that is very important, we haven't broken yesterday's highs, which is 0950. And the previous day, that was Monday, 1425. We're gapping up and trying to sustain these levels, but what this tells me that we're we're building value around this level, right? 45 and 4500 and above. So if it comes below 45, 4500, I'll be taking a long. Hmm. There we go. So we have volume there as well. Pretty boring. Pretty boring here. Huh? Um, I was tired of the live stream saying that today is not a good day to be aggressive, right? And it is. I still sustain that. Just don't want to be overly aggressive here and taking trades. Um, if you figure here is 97.05 is 8 points. 8 points. Where the how much is the ATR for the 30-minute rally? What is the ATR?
The ATM for the 30 minutes?
Yeah. You don't know it?
I don't know.
Hmm. So the ATR for the 7-minute for the 30-minute is actually 9 points. It is actually 9. Yes, sir. We're about to break the overnight. And nothing is saying short. Everything is saying long. If you want to take any other long that's not this one, it leaves up to you. For me, it's not easy to jump into this trade, right? Especially with no momentum. It's just very slow grind up. So if we have some volatility coming into the market, I might engage, but not like this one. If it's too quiet, I'm not gonna get in. I know there's some stops below this red line. So below that red line, there are some stops being triggered right here at 02. Anda, va. Dame uno a mí también.
Dica.
Sí, solamente tengo Dica.
Solamente dica. Ahí.
Creo que no hay normal. Pregúntale a Claudio. New 30-minute. Let's see if the new 30-minute candle can give us the volatility here. Yeah, buyers are stepping in big time. Okay, instantly buying this thing. So we have view up at it's not that I use it too much, but we have it at 2.75. Sorry, 250. Support here at a 02. If we reject this candle now to the downside, I'll think about this one, but it doesn't look like. Yeah, I like to break this high and then collapse here, and then a tradable reaction. Pretty boring. If you're not taking longs up with high risk, for instance, this one retrace 3 points, 4 points, yeah, 5 points. On average, ES has an 8-point retracement on a previous days, like 7, 8. Yeah, 8 is 500. So now we're in a good position for the 500. If we want to get in a here, 500. Nice. What do you do, Nadik? What do you do for living? Pedro, welcome. Oh, cool. Nice. So you got one long, sorry, two longs. You got two longs. Yes. The long is a lot better today. At least for now. Ooh, no. Look. Oof. So the dollar. Hmm. The dollar is reaching a launching point. This is 8 8:15 from September 14th. I'm gonna check this because I'm not gonna risk going against the dollar. This is September 14th. What happened here? Oh, hmm. At 15, and then we have core PPI. Yeah, monetary policy. Oh, this is okay. No, all right. So look at this. So if you haven't watched my video, I encourage you to watch it about locations, right? How to find locations. But look at this. The dollar is right here where you have this spectacular launching point. Like if you can see it, this is not similar to anything here, right? It was a launching point. So if the dollar start bouncing from here, my trade probably won't work. I want to see. Sellers are not very aggressive right now, so I still have the order there. Let's see if we can fill this order. And if the dollar comes back to the supply, sorry, to the demand that we had right here. Yeah, here. Let me show you. No, it's this one. Yeah, so if the dollar reaches this white dotted, the long is better. You wanna yes, you wanna go long where when the dollar is in supply. Meaning, if you have, for instance, um, I did have this demand that it was broken, right? Now I all demand turns into supply. And mine?
Ya claro.
Okay. If the dollar retraces to this area, I might take the long. Or above the white dotted, right? Anywhere, somewhere, anywhere in here. So that's the analysis. That is the analysis. It doesn't work all the time. The dollar is 80% correlated, inversely correlated to the S&P. So it has some room to move, differently. But yeah, that's the idea. Okay. But we got to this launching point. This is very important. This launching point. Let's see if I can bring this here. Yeah. Well, we haven't. Oh yeah, we did. We did. We actually did. We got to this launching point on the dollar.
Yeah, but we have another launching. We have a big one.
Where at?
That one.
Yeah, it's right here. And the market is retracing a little bit. Not much. And sellers are not aggressive. It's something that is not very aggressive. Probably like I'm asking too much for it to come back to 98.
Probably retracing could have been 02.
Yeah, look, I have the red line here at 02. But to be honest, that's not me. That is not my trade. That is hard for me to take these type of trades right here. That's not me. There's no momentum. There's no like volatility. You know what I'm saying? If we would have a little bit more volatility, then yes, I will trust this trade a little bit more. But nor sellers nor buyers are aggressive, really aggressive. Like I would argue that buyers are more aggressive today, but not something like you say, wow, like yesterday. Like yesterday was a clear. Um, I'm gonna go get my coffee. Give me 1 second.
tocado.
Ah, no,
Pero
¿cómo
por si
no?
acaso, por si acaso.
Oh my God. My accountability partner canceled my order. But I think, where it is this? What it is this? Yeah, the dollar. Mr. Dollar. It hasn't reached the dotted line. Once it gets to the dotted line, I will put the order on. What about the internals? What do we have here?
I don't need a zero, below zero.
Tick chart finally there. Do we have exhaustion? No. Sort of. There we go. I'm gonna put here long. 99 to 95 is too much risk. We'll go here. Yeah, I'm in it. I'm in it long. Let's see if this one goes. The only thing, oh shit, the tick chart.
Zero years out.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't see it.
It's above zero.
That's the thing, it's above zero. Should be below zero. Yeah, I'm gonna lose this one. Dollar is trumping, going up, right? Well, that's not bad for us. Buyers are trying to defend that now. My question is, are they strong enough to get that? I'm not sure. Yeah, we haven't broken 500. Hmm. Yeah, sellers are active there. And they don't require much to take this down. Like we need to break 550. There are a lot of sellers there. Buyers are trying to absorb there, but they have no strength. We need to break 50, 550. We don't break that, just gonna bail out my trade. Another attempt. Another attempt. Yeah, I'm out of this thing. I lost a little bit. Like,
Cut it short.
huh?
You cut it short.
Yeah, I cut the because we didn't break 550, and this is a very important level though. And buyers, even though their buyers are strong, they are not going through. So I don't. We haven't probably reached the right level yet. Um, yeah, I don't trust it. I don't trust it. We should have broken 500, and we didn't. I just cut it short. I lost 7.5, and my total risk was uh, 40 bucks. So I lost like a quarter bar. Yeah, I still think the long is the best probability though. Um, the only internals I care about is my gut. Price is falling, bro. Envy you there. Yeah. Like I took it here, and I was expecting this thing to go up, but is not. Like it's holding, still holding, but I just took it basically break even. Let's see if we can break 500. If it breaks 500, I might engage again. I'll be more flexible and try to get higher price. But for now, before we break 500, and there you go. Oh, now buyers are very aggressive. Like delta is super high. All right, so dollar is look at the dollar. Okay, dollar is back at our demand. So I do expect the dollar to continue to the downside. Let's see how this goes. If the dollar continues to the upside, then we will have more downside here. That's the thing. What is the dollar gonna do? Is this launching point stronger than the momentum we have here? Yeah, nobody knows. I do think the dollar might continue to the downside. Especially, this was not a US dollar news. This is an euro news. Hmm. So a new 30-minute in 3 minutes, that's the one that is gonna give us the volatility to take our trade. Hmm. Nothing. Hmm? Yeah, me neither.
Nada.
Nada, nada. Yeah, me neither. To be honest, I like here. Oh, two.
Long.
Yeah, too long. Breaking this to the upside. Bro, it's not even price action. It's fucking sideways. Alright, 15 seconds. 30 seconds, sorry. No, I might do another live stream for the afternoon. We'll put some CNBC news and press conference and stuff. New 30. Yes, I am. But not to trade, but to write scripts for the some algos that I have, like indicators and stuff. But it's not really good at it, to be honest. Tell me you have to leave.
Mm-hmm.
You're leaving.
Shit. Oh shit.
Claro. I don't think so. It's the same thing. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Stay safe.
Yeah, it's fine.
Hey,
Ciao.
ciao, man.
Bye. 1.5 minutes for this 5. Ooh, a lot of sellers here being absorbed, but still, see if we can squeeze those sellers. Yeah, no. Oof. Some buy orders there. Some buy orders. I don't know, guys. This is there is no volatility. There is no price action. There's just yeah. Yeah, a bunch of sellers coming in there. Buyers trying to absorb them. But yeah, there's no price action. It's just not really good trade. I'm just gonna stay put here. Probably trying to get people long here. I don't know. I just don't trust it. The dollar is back to the lows. Again at 550, same level. Yeah, I don't really trust this. Um, to be honest, I don't like this this movement. There's no price action for me to try to reach this level. I think is not realistic. Like, but at this point, I'm just going to move my stop break even. It is what it is. I know I'm just making 1 point, but I'm not willing to risk. I'm not willing to risk anything in this trade anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop. It is what it is. And I might get stopped out. And if I get target, nice. But if I don't, that'll be it for me today. I don't think there is a good environment to be trading. And it could be very dangerous. Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out of break even. Like there's no way I'm trading this market. It's just yeah. I just break even for the day. Mhm. Hey bro, how do you get 22 ticks and 11 minus 1 ticks showing that? Oh, I use one thing called katana. Um, so I use a custom indicator called katana. You can I can show it to you here. It's not an indicator. It's not an indicator. It's a is it's not an indicator. It's a the execution panel is custom. Is custom. So it's not the regular Ninja Trader thing. Bro, my friend does not want to sell it, and just because he doesn't have any like tech support and so on, he doesn't want to just sell the thing and not give support to the people because um here's the deal, we have a chat group where we all contribute. We're like 7 8 traders there, and we contribute to the thing to get better, right? Like, oh, I have this error and that error, and he updates um every now and then. um but to have it with like hundreds of people, like it's hard because you have people risking money, and if this shit doesn't work properly, which it has in the past, right? It has have errors, and I've lost money because of that. But I know he's doing his best. But if you pay for something, you just assume that the shit works, right? Is not my group, is his group. All right, guys. So there's nothing for me. Like, look, these are all my trades. Oh, look, I got slipped here. I got slipped. I got slipped here. Here, I closed it. Here, I closed it. 2 ticks and 1 tick slipped here. 3 ticks. So I was break even day. That's it. 2 trades for me. I don't think I'm gonna keep trading. Now the dollar got to the launching point, right? And now it's retracing back to the supply. So here's the important thing about the dollar. So we came to this launching point. See that? This was September 14th. Explosive move to the upside. And we came here at what time? 10 in the morning. And if you see here, 10 in the morning is right here. Where is this at? This is the 5-minute, right? Yeah, 10 in the morning is this one. Where when we made the new high. That was it. So this is the reversal on the markets, and this is the reversal on the dollar. Like right at the same spot. Okay? Now, I am assuming the dollar will continue to the downside. Why? For a few reasons. Number one, you have this here that is going to put some pressure to the downside. And also, this one was not a US dollar related move. This was the euro move. So the dollar moved because of the dollar. The dollar moved because of the euro. That's what I'm saying. So I don't trust it. Right? But if I expect the dollar to continue to go down, something like here, like this, right? If I expect the dollar to continue to go down, this thing is going to move sideways until it takes off, right? So every time it moves sideways, it can stop me out. My risk is too narrow. 2 points, 2.5 points. And also, we don't have any clear direction today. It's just going sideways. Although I like the long, now it's going down. Yeah. Hey, buddy, it looks like you don't know me. You know me. I could sit here like in a statue, just watching this thing doing its thing. Now, what if I would have gotten my first trade? How much would it be? Yeah, 4 points. I would never would have gotten target. Never. If I got no. Never. So that would be very frustrating though. Let's check this one. Yeah, no. And then would have gotten break even right here. So break even today. It's very boring. If you watch this, you can fall asleep watching this thing. There's no activity. Here, if you watch this one, it's so boring. So the difference here is that when this thing was coming down, right here, I got into my trade. I got this one, Delta 300, 350. This one was, I'll tell you, this is the 42. All right, so look at this one, minimal Delta 270. So I was watching this one, and when it was here was minus 270 Delta, and then immediately went up on 93. So I said, all right, some buyers are stepping in big time because a lot of sellers here were being squeezed by these buyers. And then we had this spike, but then boom, this one. And now again, around 500. Right, I cut it off break even, and I lost one tick. I got slipped. Shorting at 500. Yeah, no. I don't think short is a good strategy today, to be honest. But it's up to you. And what is your risk, Nadik? What is going to be your risk? For those who watch the View app, it's been holding nicely to the short side. Like I don't trade off of the View app, but there are a lot of people that watch it, so I watch it. Is 0.13. It's been holding pretty nicely to the downside. And your target, like 96, somewhere around there. Nice. Oh, which the dollar? Yeah, dollar is holding right there. It looks like this is a wake up call for me, like where the launching point is. Um, pay much attention to it. Like, be careful with this. This is the dollar. Ooh. So what is this? So we opened up here. Yeah, we've been steady coming down. These are the fangs. So let's go check individually. Like, yeah, like all of them are red. All of them are red. Oh no, oh, Tesla's flat. Meta is flat. Nvidia is flat. But Apple is minus 1%. Only Apple is 7% of the S&P and 11% from the NQ. Nice. I don't know, bro. 93.50. What's that? Oh. Was the gap close is that's the gap close, right? No, gap close is 91. 91 25. Yeah, I'm not gonna get chopped. Well, delta, it's easy. Is the number of aggressive orders to buy minus aggressive orders to sell, right? So if you watch this screen of mine, and do you use Ninja Trader Rastallion 2009? Do you use Ninja Trader? Rastallion, I want to answer your question, but do you use Ninja Trader? Probably you don't have the live thing. So everyone that is watching the video and probably messed up uh the browser, you can go ahead and in the YouTube there is a one thing called there's one red button to the left corner on the left down corner, the word live. If you click on it, you will watch my live stream live. If not, it's gonna be delayed a few seconds or a minute, whatever. It all depends when you joined in, right? So if you click live, you will catch up the live stream uh, real time. All right, so it looks like Restallion is not there. Okay, Nadik, you're still in it? Nice. Yes. There's only one reason. I don't really like the short, but at this point, I'm not. I don't have a crystal ball. Okay, cool. So you're listening to me with the probably 4 seconds delay. So delta, this is delta, right? You see here minus 202.16. All right, so minus 292 plus 93 minus. All right, so these are sell orders, sell market orders, right? When you click market sell, right, you're gonna be in this column. When you click market buy, you're going to be in this column, right? And the way to get this in NinjaTrader, if you want to take note, or you can go back and watch the video, right? So you go ahead and I'm gonna create a new chart so you do it with me, okay? Here, new tab. We're gonna clean up this chart, okay? Oh, not really. I'm not gonna clean it up. So the way you do it is you come here and you go configure, right? Oh, sorry, not here. You double click here, and here where it says minute, you put volumetric, right? And when you put volumetric, it's gonna show you the deltas, right? Aggressive buying against aggressive selling is gonna give you this chart. See that? So this is the 1 minute volumetric chart. It shows the candles behind, like this is a green candle, this is a green candle, this is a red candle, right? But what it tells you is how many orders to sell here, aggressive. These are not including, yes, this is not including, by the way, if you're funded with these Rhythmic accounts, Apex, LEELOO, whatever, I don't know if you have this. I have the license from Ninja, right? So since I have the license, I'm able to watch it, the order flow. But okay, so if you click buy market, you're gonna be in this column, right? And these are number of contracts. These are not like ticks, meaning these are number of contracts. This is a volume metric chart. And you can configure this to show you imbalances, right? So limit orders are not here. If you have a limit order right here at 97, right here, and you have a bunch of buy orders down here, limit, it won't be shown here. It won't be shown here. Okay, so limit orders you cannot see. You can only see aggressive order, buy orders. If you hit the ask to buy, that means you're aggressive. You're clicking market, right? So the way this works is that it shows you and here you can activate this show bar statistics, right? Here, and I don't want to see trades, delta bar, delta percentage. I just know cumulative delta. I just get rid of this. Minimum and maximum, I do want to see them for future, for maximum delta. Okay, cool. So there you go. So now you have this, right? And I'll show you where I got more confidence in my trade here, a little bit, but not very much. So in this one, I was in this one, right? And you have to watch this real time. I was in this very candle, this delta, take out red delta. Yeah. So if you see green delta, take out the red delta, wouldn't be a good indication to buy. Yes, that was my next point. So I saw this candle. I was already in the trade, but this is a very good trigger to get into one trade, right? So you get this candle. This candle says 93 positive, right? When we were around here, like around down, like down here, this candle was shown like minus 200 and something, right? Is what I said. You can go review my video because I was watching it real time. Look, a lot of aggressive sellers came in. And it's true, a lot of aggressive sellers came in, but they got absorbed by a bunch of buyers. So this absorption, right, end up on plus 93, and I'll show you is 1042, right? This is the one that we just created, 1042, and you can see here how the minimum delta is this one. Let me take myself out of the picture so you can watch it better. Minus 270. You see that? Minus 270. Then buyers stepped in and this thing ended up plus 93. Okay? So there is where you can make a decision and say, all right, so I'm gonna engage this. But on the other side, we were not going through. This is very short-term oriented, if you will. Right? So yeah, from here we went up a little bit, but we couldn't even break 03. And we haven't still broken 03, right? Even here. Now, I do think buyers are like the long has a better chance today, but it's moving very sideways. Well, possible scalp, or if you have a big ass area, and we can go ahead and check. Yes, that I haven't checked it, right? So here, all right, so let's go here. You see this? If you review my live stream yesterday, I got short here, right? Somewhere around here, and I cover here. And I said, all right, no more shorts for me. I have this big ass demand. Okay? And then I left. I had something to do in Fort Lauderdale or whatever. And then I came out of my appointment and I saw this. Boom. So I haven't seen this, but this is 1250. And watching it real time, you probably have signals to get engaged into this. Now, this risk is, that's why I call it big ass, but this risk is too much, and I bet you can narrow this thing, right? So let's go check this 1250, and this is the one that we just created, right? 1250 from yesterday. There you go. All right, so here, this one definitely does not tell you anything. Minus 1,000 plus 1,000 minus 1,000 plus okay, but it ended up very negative. Then this one a little bit, like the minimum was minus 200 and we closed flat, but we went up to 47 positive, so like a swing of 250 delta. In this one, minimum delta minus 83, and then this one tells you, damn, something is going on here. It's 800, almost 800, right? Then this one again, very positive. This one, it was minimum 114. It ended up flat, but this one, look at this one, from minus 14 to plus 500. So this one is the one that tells you. And I wonder if I could get 30 seconds, because if I could get 30 seconds and figure that happened, if you watch a real time, that might have happened here, right? When you are minus 100 and then suddenly is plus 100, right? Minus 100 or suddenly is plus 300, right? When that happens, then you just engage, right? You engage in the trade. Today, no, I didn't take any short. I was just looking for longs. I took 2 longs, 2 break evens. Yes, yes, but you don't see, you just see only aggressive buying, right? Well, yes, you will have here, this is the entire volume for the candle, right? But when you have these imbalances, like 500 against 109, 500 buyers against 109 sellers, obviously the candle is tends to be, aggressive to the upside. And this is today. Um, Jeremy, go watch. Um, I'll leave you a link here because I have a video. Scroll my channel is about how to find locations. I posted it um last week. I have 4 ways to find locations, right? But this one is not complicated. This is pretty straightforward. Um, is a COT, is a high volume node from here to here, right? And in that video, I show how I find these levels. See that? The shadow, the highlighted area is a high volume node, horizontal volume. You see that? 66 to 47. Boom. And I had a days in advance. I didn't draw it last night. You can watch my live stream. It's easy. So you have tops and bottoms, launching points, and you have COTs, top of the range, bottom of the range, launching points, etc., etc. You have to digest this with a grain of salt, okay? Because this area is very wide. It's almost 20 points. If you're willing to risk 20 points, that's fine. But we haven't even have 2 to 1. Oh yeah, no, we got 2 to 1, but that's not a day trade, right? This type of trading is not day trade. Now, another example of one of the ways I find locations is this one. This is a launching point for the dollar. The dollar came here and rejected it. This is a launching point from September 14th, last week, right? Boom, rejection here came. First reaction of the dollar is to go up, but after some research, I conclude that, okay, this thing, it might go down, okay? This is my expectation that the dollar might continue to go down. And everything is gonna mess up at 2 with Powell, okay? It's not that this zone is gonna hold, I don't know, nor this one, I don't even know. So it all depends what happens with the volatility of today's FOMC, right? But my game plan today was shorting the dollar, meaning go long on the equity markets when this one's here above this dotted white. Okay, and that's what I did. and it went a little bit. Like if I show here, I took my trades here, like around here, and I took 2 break evens. Why? Because it's not running, it's just sideways. I took 2 break evens. Oh, this one was the second one. Yeah, and there were not good trades. That's why I decided just to stop taking trades. We're in this range of 03 to 97, 5.5 points. It's suicidal, guys. At least for my type of trading, getting in this chop is suicidal. So suicidal. So I don't want to just lose my money. Jeremy, have you been following me for a long time or just recently? You subscribe to the channel. All right, welcome, buddy. It's not my channel; it's our channel. So I just share the way I trade. I'm not a. Don't you think I am like Bill Ackman or something like that? I'm just trying to make it better here, right? Every time. Now I've been doing it for 5 years, and I've had a lot of experiences. Not to say that I've lost some money and I've gotten very frustrated, right? But I think it's everything that has happened to me is for the good. Now I'm becoming a very good trader and a lot more patient, um, a lot more technical and less emotional. Um, yeah, you scalp, but you scalp, right, Natic? You scalp. But you said your target was fucking 93. Look, this is not a scalp. It's 7 points, bro. You are in a range from for 12 or 11. You want to get 7? Unless you know something, just tell me. Yeah, I know. There's some people that can make money in this market. I have no doubt about it. Like I swear, like I know there are some people that can make money here. But that's not me. Like I'm realistically talking, I need something like this. This is not what I need every day, but I need a little bit more space, right? This is very choppy. And I've learned to just stay away of the chop because I've spent too much money just trading that chop. So the dollar is still holding though. Look at the dollar. Dollar is still holding. So we might have a reversal on the dollar and probably Powell will tank the market. Who knows? Um let me put you let me I have 2 videos, right? I have 2 videos. There's one called supply and demand, and there is also called volume profile trading strategy. Um, there you go. So you have that one. That is the no problem, buddy. Is I know my English not the best one, but I try to do it the best way I can. And then you can watch this one right after that. that is the horizontal volume, right? And then you watch this one. And if you have any question, just comment there. I get alerts in my cell phone. I will try to reply you right away. Okay. I'm gonna see you guys in the afternoon, like 1:55. I'm gonna do a live stream. There probably a year that I don't do it. But I think it's fun. We'll watch CNBC, the news, we comment, whatever. I'll review the um, summary of economic reports, summary of economic projections, SEP. It comes out every so the Fed meetings are every 6 weeks. So, but this report where all the members vote fill up a form and they show their perspective about the economy and the projections. This report comes out every 4 months, right? So, and we have one today. So I think it's a pretty good one to watch. Um, I'm not gonna be trading in the afternoon. I have binding strategies in my account, so they're locked out in the afternoon. So I cannot override that. Believe it or not, I cannot override that. Just because like I've said in the past, I took good trades in the morning, did whatever I had to do, and then in the afternoon I had this brilliant idea of trading, and I had a brilliant setup, and I ended up losing a lot of money, right? So I discovered that trading in the afternoon made me more damaged than good. So I created this binding strategy. I cannot override that, and I only can modify. I can only access my account settings when the market is closed. When I'm cold headed and I already passed my heat, whatever, I can go ahead and change my settings and say, all right, I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna modify these, my limit risk, whatever. Thank you, Rastalian. Thank you. Um, yes, bro. Oh my God, I mean, if you think about it, if you focus on learning how to trade in the afternoon, I don't think it's hard because a lot of um like a big good trend is developed in the afternoon after 2, between 2 and 4. But it's something that I haven't put the work on, and I think I have an edge, a sufficient edge to make money in the mornings, right? Um, it is what it is. Like, um, all right, guys. Thank you for being here. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Okay? Bye bye. Trade safe. Don't lose money and don't do stupid shit.